Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the ultimate creator and gaming laptop of 2025, this video is for you. Today, I'm diving deep into the brand new GIGABYTE AERO X16 Copilot Plus PC, a stunning 16-inch powerhouse that's not only built for creative professionals, but also optimized for next-gen AI experiences. This video is part of my Amazon affiliate tech review series, so if you like what you see, you can find the latest deals and pricing down in the description. Let's start with the design. The AERO X16 has a space gray aluminum chassis that feels premium, sleek, and professional. It's slim, lightweight for a performance laptop, and incredibly well built. The minimal design language gives off a modern studio-ready vibe, perfect for designers, video editors, and creators who need both performance and portability. On the back, the AERO logo lights up beautifully, and the ventilation system is refined to keep things cool and quiet, even under heavy workloads. You've got a full-size backlit keyboard with soft RGB effects, precision touchpad, and a generous selection of ports, including HDMI, USB-C with DisplayPort, USB-A, and a full-sized SD card reader. Now, let's talk about that 16-inch WQXGA panel. It's a 2560 by 1600 panel with a 165 Hz refresh rate. That means buttery smooth visuals whether you're editing 4K footage, color grading, or gaming. The colors are incredibly accurate thanks to 100% DCI P3 color gamut coverage, and it's factory calibrated for creators. The 16 by 10 aspect ratio gives you extra vertical space, which is perfect for productivity. If you're a digital artist or video editor, this screen is a dream come true. All right, let's get into the power inside. The AERO X16 is equipped with the AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor, part of the brand new Ryzen AI series designed for next-gen Copilot Plus PCs. This chip comes with built-in Ryzen AI XDNA 2 technology, which accelerates AI workloads right on your laptop. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, and you've got serious firepower for gaming, 3D rendering, and machine learning tasks. This combo delivers outstanding performance while maintaining efficiency thanks to the new AI-optimized architecture. In real-world tests, it handles Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Blender, and Unreal Engine like a champ. And for gamers, yes, you can easily play AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or Elden Ring at high settings with smooth frame rates. For storage and multitasking, it's got 1 TB of fast SSD storage and 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. That means lightning-fast boot times, instant app loading, and no lag when juggling multiple heavy programs at once. It's perfect for video editors who work with massive 4K or even 8K files. What makes this laptop truly future-ready is Microsoft's Copilot Plus PC experience. With Ryzen AI, you get real-time AI enhancements built into Windows 11, things like background blur, voice isolation, image generation, and text summarization, all happening locally on your device. Imagine editing a video while AI automatically color grades your clips, or using AI-powered Copilot to generate creative scripts and design ideas instantly. This isn't just a laptop, it's an AI workstation that learns and adapts to your workflow. Battery life is solid thanks to efficient power management from the Ryzen AI 9 HX370 and NVIDIA Advanced Optimus. You can expect up to 8 hours of productivity use, and fast charging gets you back to 50% in under 30 minutes. The WindForce Infinity cooling system uses multiple heat pipes and fans to keep the CPU and GPU temperatures in check without excessive noise. So to wrap things up, the GIGABYTE AERO X16 Copilot Plus PC is one of the most impressive creator laptops of 2025. It's powerful, beautifully designed, AI-enhanced, and ready for the future of productivity and gaming. If you're a content creator, developer, or gamer looking for a top-tier laptop that can handle everything from 3D rendering to video editing to AI applications, this one deserves your attention. Check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest price, discounts, and availability. And if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.